In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you found a must-have item and want to save a bit of money, follow along as we walk through the process of using a promo code effectively on this popular platform. First, let's begin by opening up your web browser. In the address bar, type in Vestiaire Collective and hit enter. Among the search results that appear, make sure to select the first one. This should direct you straight to the official Vestiaire Collective website. Once you're on Vestiaire Collective's homepage, look for the sign-in option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and if you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. In case you haven't registered yet, you'll need to create an account by following the easy setup process so that you can proceed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the shopping bag icon. This represents your cart. Click on it to view the items you wish to purchase. Here you'll find a summary of your selection, including details like the price and any other relevant information about your chosen items. Satisfied with what you see? Perfect. Move on by clicking the Proceed to Checkout button. This button is usually displayed prominently, guiding you to the payment and finalization part of your shopping experience. Now, as you advance to the checkout page, keep an eye out for a section specifically designated for promo codes. It's crucial as this is where the magic of savings happens. Input the promo code you've acquired into the provided box. Be mindful when entering the code, ensuring that you've typed it accurately with no extra spaces, as an incorrect entry could prevent the discount from being applied. Double check your code, and once you're sure it's correct, it's time to finalize your purchase. Now comes the last step. Once your promo code is successfully entered and your discount has been applied, look for the Place Order button. Clicking this confirms your purchase and seals the deal with the applied savings. Before you click, however, it's worth giving everything one final review. Ensure all the details, including shipping and personal information, are correct to avoid any mishaps. And there you have it. You've just applied a promo code on Vestiaire Collective and moved through the checkout process smoothly. I hope this guide helps make your experience not only easier, but also a bit cheaper. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher on how to save on your favorite luxury fashion finds. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.